Hey there, job seekers. Welcome to the Pillar Assistant, where we bring you the latest remote job opportunities from around the globe. Today, we've got another lineup of 5 fantastic companies, and they are hiring entry-level remote workers. So, keep watching, and let's dive right in. First up, we have Foundever. Known for their innovative customer experience solutions, Foundever is looking for remote workers who bring fresh ideas. They offer a variety of roles, including customer service representatives, tech support agents, and sales associates, and offer paid training. The best part, they hire from all around the world. Requirements are pretty standard. You will need a reliable internet connection, good communication skills, a can-do attitude, and participation in an online skills assessment. Salary varies depending on location, but can range from $12 to $20 per hour. Note, salaries listed in this video are US-based. Check out glassdoor.com and LinkedIn for more information on salaries in your specific region. Next, let's talk about Genpact. This global professional services firm is about transforming businesses for the better. They offer remote positions such as data analysts, process associates, and content moderators. Genpact hires across multiple regions, including North America, Europe, and Asia. To join the Genpact family, you'll need a high school diploma or equivalent and, for specific roles, a degree in a relevant field and basic tech skills. Pay varies by role but generally falls between $15 and $25 per hour. An excellent opportunity to kickstart your career. Now, let's cruise over to Everrise. Known for its exceptional customer experience solutions, Everrise is constantly looking for dynamic individuals. Job types include customer service agents, technical support reps, and healthcare associates. Everrise hires from various regions, particularly in the Americas and Asia. General requirements include a high school diploma or equivalent, excellent communication skills, and a passion for helping others. You can expect to earn around $12 to $18 per hour, depending on your role. Moving on to TaskUs, a provider of outsourced digital services that prides itself on being people first and offers a fun, vibrant work culture. Some remote positions at TaskUs include content moderators, customer support reps, and data entry specialists. They hire globally with a strong presence in the Philippines, the United States, and India. The basic requirements are a high school diploma or equivalent, strong English proficiency, and a knack for problem solving. Salaries range from $10 to $16 per hour. Perfect for those who love a dynamic work environment. Last but not least, we have Outplex. Specializing in customer engagement, Outplex offers remote roles such as chat support agents, sales reps, and call center agents. They hire primarily in the United States, but have opportunities in other regions, such as Colombia and the Dominican Republic. To join Outplex, you'll need the ability to multitask, excellent typing skills, a customer-focused mindset, and computer proficiency. Pay ranges from $15 to $27 per hour, depending on location and experience. This is a great entry point into the remote work world. And that sums it up, folks. 5 incredible companies offering remote job opportunities. Don't forget to check out their websites linked in the description for more details and apply today. Thanks for tuning in to the Pillar Assistant. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more remote work-related content. Happy job hunting, and I hope to see you in the next video.